Hey, welcome back, binder fans. The guys in the shop have got another project done, and I'm going to tell you all about it. Alright, well let me start off by telling you what we didn't do on this Scout, and that is paint it. It actually already came painted with the stripes on it and stuff. It was already in great condition. We did, however, strip the inside of the Scout and we repainted it the same body white color in it. And so that's the only part we did refinish body-wise, but otherwise, this is the paint job that came with it. Now, as for the rest of the Scout, that was all us. We basically took the body off the frame, stripped it all down, installed our CPT engine mounts for the LS engine. This is your typical LS3, 430 horsepower, 430 foot-pounds of torque. We mated it up to a 6L80 transmission and then mated that to an Atlas transfer case. For the axles and suspension, we put in our typical CPT Ford 9-inch in the rear, 430 gears with a limited slip axle. Up front was the stock Dana 44. We did, however, turn the knuckles on it and then match the gearing as well on that. It is mated up to some Alcan custom springs and then some Bilstein shocks. The tires and wheels on this Scout were already on it. They're 32 1150 Goodyear MTRs mated to a 15-inch Dixie Peck wheel. To fuel the LS3, we put in one of our 25-gallon CPT fuel tanks that has the built-in fuel pump and has the proper pressure for the LS engine. Alright, so under the hood, well, for obvious reasons, there's no AC compressor on this one because there's no hard top. So, real simple system. We just have the stock heater box still in it. For the intake, though, we did do a normal custom intake that goes into the fender well so it can get some fresh air out of the cowl. For the radiator, we installed our typical aluminum Wizard cooling radiator under the hood with 4 electric fans. That'll help keep the LS3 cool. And to keep the Scout stopped as best as possible, we put in one of our CPT Hydro Boost braking systems. Alright, and for the interior of the Scout, as I mentioned earlier, we did give the floor a fresh paint job inside of it. We then got a pair of Corbeau seats and then had the rear seat reupholstered to match those front seats, courtesy of our usual Romans upholstery in Auburn. Made a custom center console for it to help for the shifter, pretty typical of our LS builds that we do. And to round off the sound system, we custom Alpine system in there, all designed by Darren himself. To monitor all the logistics of the engine, we put in one of our CPT dashes with ISPRO gauges. So that's all the details of this Scout. Let's hop in it and go for a test drive and show you how it performs out on the open road. Alright guys, that was an awesome drive. This thing drives just tight and beautiful, just like every Scout the guys put out through our shop here at IH Parts America. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just put them in the comments. We'll do our best to answer them. And if you as well want a Scout that runs every bit as great as this, or have your own idea of your own Scout, reach out to us, let us know. Maybe it's something that we can build for you. Until next time, thanks for watching guys. We'll catch you next time.